How much money did you make the last time you went to the beach? This creator generated $50,770 in commission from a 35-second video talking about vitamins they filmed while they were at the beach. It's crazy to think about, and this is their commission that went into their pockets. They made way more for the shop that they were promoting this product for as a TikTok shop affiliate. In this video, I'm going to explain how this all works from the ground up by using a 5-step simple process so you can understand how this can also potentially work for you. So stick around, grab a drink, grab a notepad, jump straight into the source. My name is Victor and welcome to Creator-Bug, where we help you create content, ditch your 9 to 5 and live the life that you want. Step number 1, they signed up and met the requirements to become a TikTok shop affiliate. Now, if you don't already know, TikTok shop affiliate is quite simple. You've got an actual shop that sells physical products on TikTok shop on the e-commerce platform. And then you've got affiliates, which are creators that promote products on behalf of those shops. The benefit for the shops is they obviously generate revenue and make a profit. The benefit from the creator is that they get a cut off that revenue that the shop creates, which is called commission, like any other affiliate relationship in the e-commerce world out there. Now, in order to qualify as a TikTok shop affiliate in the United States, you need to have at least 5,000 followers. You need to have posted in the last 28 days and you need to be over the age of 18. In the UK, you need to have at least 1,000 followers. Again, you need to have posted in the last 28 days and you need to be over the age of 18. Now, there are workarounds to become a TikTok shop affiliate without meeting the follower requirements. The video that you can see on the screen right now, it'll also be linked in the description, tells you exactly how to go about doing that. Step 2, they used a tool like Kalo Data, which you should be seeing on the screen right now. This is an insights tool that helped them to understand what products are working, what creators are being successful selling those products, what videos are they using, what are they saying in those videos, and how much revenue is being generated by these particular products. So essentially doing product research. So this creator looked for products that are high in commission, because the higher the commission is, the more you get in your pocket as a TikTok shop affiliate. They look for products that were already performing well or about to become popular, and products that they were also comfortable talking about as well, products that aligned with their brand as a creator. This is called product research, finding the right product that you can promote as an affiliate. Shops themselves do a similar exercise where they research what products they can sell as TikTok shops. Again, you should be seeing a video on the screen. I will also link it in the description where I go through in painstaking detail how to do product research as a TikTok shop affiliate. Kalo Data, I will link it in the description as well, so you can have a play around with it yourself if you'd like to see this type of information and do a little product research on your own. Step number 3 is they started adding products into their showcase. You can do this from your phone, assuming that you have qualified to become a TikTok shop affiliate, either by meeting the minimum requirements or by using the workaround. What this creator then did is go into the product marketplace and start adding the same products that they were able to discover using the Kalo Data product research. They added those products into what's called their showcase, and all of this is within your dashboard once you become a TikTok shop affiliate, and you should be seeing it on the screen somewhere. Very easy, just by clicking a few buttons. The product is added to your showcase. You literally just click to add the product and that product is in your video. And all people do, they watch your video, they see a little basket. Next to the basket will be the name of the product that you're promoting. Once they click on that basket and decide to buy the product, you get a commission from that purchase. It's literally a 2, 3, maybe 4-step process, but it's very, very easy. TikTok has made it so simple for people to purchase products, similar to the Amazon Buy Now feature, which is literally 2 or 3 clicks and you're purchasing products. So that is how the customer buys product from your videos. These are videos that you're just creating like any other video on TikTok that you create. There's nothing special. There's no special editing that you need to do. For example, in this 35-second video,
do you know if you're craving sweets constantly, you can't sleep at night, and you get emotional over every little thing, chances are you have high levels of cortisol.
This creator did, as you can see, it's very basic.
And the reason is because you're vitamin D deficient.
They're laid back, they're at the beach. I don't know if they're a father or a husband, but
These are micro ingredients, vitamin D3 and K2.
they're probably watching their family while their kids are out playing. They're thinking, 2 seconds that I've got the vitamins with me anyway. Let me just quickly film this video over
There's 10,000 IU units of D3 and
35 seconds. Barely any editing, very basic, just using their mobile phone. And this video generated them 50,770 at 50 cents in commission. And the reason, by the way, that we know that it's that amount, for these types of vitamins, shops are offering around 25% commission to creators that promote these products, as you can see on the screen right now. And if we look at the total that they made in the last 7 days, again, using Kalo data, if we take 25% off that amount, this is where that estimate of 50,770 comes from. It could be that they earned more than that. It could be that they earned slightly less than that. But for a day at the beach with a 35-second video, who would complain making around this much money in commission? So again, a recap of the steps that they've taken so far. They've signed up and met requirements for TikTok Shop Affiliate. They've used an insights tool like Kalo Data to do product research, and then they've added the products that they discovered using the product research into their showcase. The next thing they did after adding the products into their showcase, they either requested the product as a sample or they purchased the product from the shop in order to have it in their hand and promote the product. Now, sample requests are available on TikTok for TikTok Shop affiliates. However, it depends on the shop and whether the shop is willing to offer those samples to you or not. You apply for the sample, the shop looks at your request, they review your account and decide if you're a good fit for them to send you their product free of charge. And this is what would have most likely happened if this creator applied for the sample. If they decide you're a good fit, then they will send you the product completely free. However, if they decide you're not the right fit for them, then they may decline your application. As I understand, TikTok Shop is currently working on a system where they will give every creator that's within TikTok Shop as an affiliate a certain amount of credit that allows them to apply for samples, a certain amount of samples per month. I'm not exactly sure how that works, so I'm not going to dig in too deep in that, but I understand that's something that's in the works from other videos that I've seen here on YouTube. Now, if they didn't get the product by applying for a free sample, they could have purchased it from the shop within TikTok so they could have it in their hands. Alternatively, they could have gone onto Amazon or any other marketplace and purchased exactly that same product, those same vitamins, so they can have them in their hands quicker and make that video. TikTok Shop, or TikTok rather, doesn't know, nor do they care where you got the product, as long as it's exactly the same product that you're promoting in the video. And as long as they can see in the video that you are promoting that particular product that you're talking about, if it's in the video, they're happy with that, as long as you're doing that, because they're going to make money either way, regardless of where you got that product. However, the creator managed to get the product, they got it in their hands, and the next step, which is step 4, is that they started creating videos. And very simple, there are other methods. There's AI, there's auto-generated videos on TikTok. There's many ways you can go about this, but the quickest, pound for pound, and easiest way to create videos is by having the product in your hand and literally have your mobile phone and filming using that way. 35 seconds, 40 seconds, you're done. Your video is ready to upload, which is the approach that this creator decided to use. They showed their face. No issues with that. Some people might not want to show your face. You might want to use your hands. You might want to use different ways, whatever works for you, whatever you're comfortable with. But in this instance, obviously they showed their face. Step number 5, very underrated, is staying consistent. They stayed consistent and kept creating videos, kept learning, kept growing, kept finding out what's working, what's not working. They didn't give up after they gained traction from the first video. They tried different approaches, different ways, until they finally eventually got a video that popped off, which is this video that I'm talking about. This is very underrated. People jump on, they watch videos like this and other videos on YouTube and assume that from the very first video I'm going to generate $100,000 in commission, and when they don't, then suddenly motivation goes below the promote them, you'll be earning lots and lots of commission, and essentially the rest is going to be history. That is the simple 5-step process that I believe this creator followed. The videos that I mentioned, I will link them in the description. Signing up for TikTok Shop, even if you've got 0 followers.